Hello everyone. So, welcome to my live stream. Today I'll be showing you how to use Whisk AI to create amazing images and convert those images into videos. So, this is going to be a simple live stream and it's literally easy to create images in Whisk AI. So, Whisk AI is a tool created by Google and I'll show you how to open Whisk AI. So, first of all, you have to search. So, first of all, you have to search for Google AI Studio. Wait a second. Sorry. You have to search for Google Labs. First of all, it's Google Labs. And in Google Labs, you have to go into experiments. And in experiments, you have to search for Whisk AI. Or you can do one thing, you can directly search for Whisk AI here in Google. So once you click on the URL, you have to first log in with an account. You can't use Whisk AI without a account. So log in with your Google, Gmail, and this is the front page of Whisk AI. So this is how it looks. It is pretty aesthetically quite good. And these are all the projects made on Whisk itself. So let's enter the tool. So after entering the tool, this is the first interface, and look at the left side over here. You are given three options here. So these are not actually options. These, you can use this and just write your prompt and design your character. So for example, you can select and subject, scene, and style. So for now, I'll randomly create a subject. Okay, let's pick this one, a little robot, and then just write the prompt here that uh, subject is walking in the desert. So as you can see over here, this image is created by taking the subject into consideration. So what it did was it created a robot with similar appearances with the image given here in the subject like in the subject option. So you can also change this subject and then just write it here in the prompt that the subject is walking in a desert or something else, and it will create a similar kind of what do you say, the image in consideration with the subject. So you can also change the scene over here. I will randomly choose this one. This is kind of a cheese cheese line on a mountain top of snow. So I'll just say the subject is walking. I'll not say where it is walking because I wanted to capture the scene from this image. So let's see if it works out or not. Wow. So, in short, this is how image generation in Whisk AI works. So, what I want to say is you have the rights to tweak the image before it is already generated. So, you can tweak the image using these three sections over here, which are subject, scene, and style. If you don't want to use a randomly generated image from here, what you can do is write a prompt and create an image for the style. So if I just write here create a anime 90s anime style character, I think so though. Wait, I think the spelling is quite right. Correct. No. Let's go with the create an anime 90s anime style boy with a guitar. I could have wrote character, but I want to be a specific theme that it is a boy with a guitar in a 90s anime style. Uh, mm, yeah, let's see how it creates. Wow, this is pretty good. This style. Maybe I'll just create another one. Writing, create 90s theme uh character in a movie. Hmm. Wow, so this is how it made the image on the basis of our prompt which was given over here. Also, you can deselect the subject and only select the scene or style and create a new image stating that uh, the person is eating a pizza. So as you can see over here, it has created a scene taking consideration this one from the scenes category, and it has also taken the characters features from this one, and there is also a guitar. So this is how you can tweak your images before it is already generated. What you can also do is you can refine this image, or whichever image which is already created, you can refine any of these images and maybe just say that person is eating a full course food. Let's see how it creates. I want to, let's see. Or you can also change the background if you want. I didn't quite get what I was trying to say. So, let's say the boy is eating the while standing in the comic store, browsing through different comics and mangas. Let's see how it does. So, exactly, you can literally refine the whole image and create another one based on the previous features. So, this is why I like using Whisk. You have complete control over what you want to generate, and it gives you the right tools to tweak your images. And now I'll show you one more amazing feature, that if you want to create images or videos for your YouTube shorts, you can use the aspect ratio mentioned over here. So you can create a 9 is to 16 portrait mode photos, images, videos, or a landscape, or a mobile portrait, or a mobile landscape. So I'll just create one image in portrait mode for YouTube Shorts kind of a resolution, and then I'll show you how you can uh, generate videos based on the images. So let's take this scene and let the subject be nothing, let the style be nothing, and let's just say the fisher fisherman is uh, fishing in the, the lake on a boat. Let me check if I have selected. Yeah, 9 is to 16. So look how amazing it made a vertical image in 9 is 16. And you can use this button over here, the first one from the right side, and click, and then it will be downloaded directly to your downloads folder of your PC. And you can use this anywhere you want. You can create amazing shorts, videos, and all other good things. So I hope you all followed and got to understand how to use Whisk AI, which is kind of pretty easy. And I hope the clarification regarding these three sections is okay. Like, I hope you all understand how these three sections works over here, as this gives you some kind of freedom for tweaks in your images. And now for the last thing, I'll show you how you can animate. Sorry, I'll for the last thing I'll show you how you can animate the images into videos. So I'll just hit this button over here, which is animate. Just click over here, and then just write your prompt for the animation. I'll just write the character is eating pizza in the store, and then saying, wow, it's so good. So it takes a bit of time, and I forgot to mention that You can use Whisk AI for completely free. You can create images like how much ever you want. It's completely free, it is unlimited. And I think for video generations, to animate the images which you have created, you have to use some generations limit. So there is a limit. So as you can see over here on the right side top corner, I have gotten only 4 generation limit. So what it means that I can only generate 4 videos for free, and then you can use some subscription based model on here which gives you credits and more generation options. I also want to mention that the next video which I'm going to make will be on a new browser made by Perplexity called as Comet, and already a lot of people are using this browser. So for in basic terms, in layman terms, what this browser does is it is kind of an AI assistant for you in a browser. So it can literally draft emails and already send it to your colleagues, friends. It automatically organizes tabs and many much more, which I'll be covering in the next videos, in the further videos which I'll create. And also, oh yeah, it created a video. Let's see, let's check out how good it is going to be.
Wow, it's so good.
Wow, this is pretty amazing. This is literally amazing. There is
Wow,
kind of
it's so good.
few, what you can say, a bit of graphic kind of a glitch disturbance.
Wow, it's
but
so good.
the overall video is pretty good, pretty amazing. So this is how you can create videos. I'll show another one too. I'll show it over here, the same, or I'll just say I'll just animate this video saying that the robot is walking very sadly, and the camera zooms out. And also while this is loading, I'll give you a few glimpses about the future videos I'll be going to create. So I'll also be going to create videos on Comfy UI. So this is one of the best tools to create commercial AI images and videos. You can literally tweak any image you want in this. So you can create images using node workflows. There are workflows, and then it creates the image for you. It's completely free, open, and it uses image models called as Flux, Flux Dave, and Stable Diffusion, and many much more, which you can use completely for free. Yeah, this is going to be kind of a more technical side video, but I'll do my best to show it in kind of a simpler way for all the people. So yeah, the video is generated over here. Let's check it out how it's going to be. Wow, this is completely amazing. It literally created a video without any disturbance or any glitches in the videos. It's like completely consistent with the background and everything. Wow, amazing, amazing. So this is how you can use Whisk, and I'll also show you a bonus tip. You can go on this front page, yeah, and then if you like any of this artwork created by other people, yeah, you can just click on it and then just click on make your own, so you can use this as a base for your further edit on this image. So as you can see over here, it is already here. You can literally redefine it, write your prompts and edit the image. So you can do this with any of this artworks mentioned over here, which is pretty good. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this live stream. If you are watching this after it is completed, the live video is completed, if you are watching the recording, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be covering many other different AI videos on tools such like this, like Whisk, which I have already created in my previous videos. And I'll be also showing Comet, which is the new browser by Perplexity, and how to use Comfy UI in my further videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.